This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the flower box. This is a very quick and easy box to put together. So you just want to fold it on all the score lines. And I'm going to go ahead and put these side panels on now. Since I feel like it will be easier to do with it down flat. So there's a border all the way around, including in the center of the circle. You just want to make sure you just take your time, line that up. Just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put my flowers together. Okay. I think I will also go ahead and glue these into place. So you will want to apply the glue to the flower. Oh, darn. Then I'm just going to start on one side, put glue on my tab, and your straight edge here is where you're going to know that you're lined up correctly. Just push it down into place. So again, we're lining it up with this straight edge right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put glue on both of my tabs. I got glue there. So this would be really pretty for Mother's Day. Just a simple little box. And then I'm just going to use pipe cleaner. And there it is. There is the tulip box. Thank you for joining me.